Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to split a video into two parts. Well, there are few ways you can do this. Here's the stock footage I've added to my timeline to test this. So, if you want to split this video into two parts, you can move your cursor over to the place where you want to split and then click on Ctrl B. Then the footage is cut. Another way is to do this is using the blade tool over here. Click on this blade tool and then wherever you want to cut it, and then it. But you might have question about what to do if you have a video footage and also the sound of the video. Then just clicking Ctrl B will just split the video or the audio that you have selected. Like, let me select this video and then place the cursor over here, and then again I'll press Ctrl B. See, it just split this single footage. So to split both audio and the video in a single go, you can do this. Press on the Ctrl button on your keyboard and then select a video, and then without leaving the Ctrl key, select the audio as well. This will link these two videos, and then you can press Ctrl B, then both of them will be split.